Impact of business administration in society. It is important to count what impact it's going to be created at the time of the professional practice. This a change in with utmost create one of the best impression to be able to leave a mark where it's going as because this the one that marks the beginning of our professional career. As long as you are doing the work for a duty and not for a pleasure, this implies that you are not going to perform well in your work and that you will only the one you are asked to do or less that what you are dicing. The attitude is of utmost importance because when an observation is hip, it should be taken so as not to hinder learning and not to create a bad image. A company, although it is true, is a business which is made of multiple activities with the purpose of generating income in order to actively subsisting. However, for a business to succeed, it depends of a good organization and strategic having a correct planning in order to achieve a staff development based on good coordination of the structure heap in the hours manager employer and thus achieve the proposed adjective for its level of depend is descriptive because in analyzing the administrative process business mainly taking to quality approach. The administrative plan is of utmost importance for an organization since it strengthens the administrative capacity of the company. Without it is impossible to use resource efficiently tasks with if the company wants to satisfy the needs and desires of its customers. It must respond in a timely manner. There are not only an administrative plans is not enough, but a commercial plan is also necessary to bring the products of service of the market being necessary to design different strategies. Of course, their plan will facilitate the administration function of planning and control for all types of companies. Business administration consists of interpreting the purpose objectives of the company and translating them into actions through organization, control, managing, and planning in order to achieve the process goals. To manage it is to achieve an immediate execution of the planning tasks using in some way you different resources that a company must have where they are material, human, and financial. Throughout the administration, it is possible to overcome the problems that at some point the administration is exposed to suffer ensures a way that having a clear concept and counting their role and functions of the company can project use towards a future full of success. I was working efficiently and effectively.